Hey, what say you guys? Not a golf stick?
I'm out here playing golf with Tiger Woods. I'm looking for him, and this supposed to be my golf stick. Somebody gave me a pencil to work with. I got a putt. I don't know what happened to my golf stick.
Oh well, maybe you'll find it.
I'm out here practicing on the tee. Hopefully, I can find my friend so I can win this tournament.
Okay.
Okay. See you later. Nice meeting you, young lady. What you say your name again?
Nothing.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Hey, Wolf.
Hey, I hope one day I can make a guitar like this and play a guitar like this. I'm praying on playing it one day.
Okay.
Me and my boys out of the club.
All right.
All right, we'll see you later.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah. Hey.
What's up, Doc?
Okay, this is the menswear outfit of the day, and our model here is wearing a shirt by a company called Victorious, and also the jeans are by a company called MS, and they're very nice. And this is for anyone that wants to go out on the town for the day, or just a simple brunch. Okay, and let's get a look at that hat. Okay, the hat too has wings on it, very nice. Okay, so this is our menswear outfit of the day, and we'll be bringing you more later.